A wonderful good morning. As every morning I'm starting my day inside the coffee shop, drinking my cappuccino for waking up. I also wanted to tell you why I have chosen Sestri for my language stay. So I was visiting this traveling agency in Switzerland that is specialized for language stays, actually all over the world. And so we were watching, we were having a look on different places, and in the end I wanted to come into a very little place or a little town that isn't that big, that has the sea just nearby. And so we came to Sestri. Sestri is also not that famous, at least in Switzerland, and so for me it was really perfect, because I want really to focus on the language and not be in a busy city like Rome, especially not during the summer, or even Venice with a lot of tourists. And here it's really perfect. I can arrive every single morning by bicycle, and also I could arrive by train here. The school now, together with my room, the guest family, for that I'm paying around 1,000 euros. Even now, if it's there is the high season during July, so that's absolutely fine. I just made a little movie about Sestri Levante, because I will do another episode for just showing some amazing places here at the coast. And today is Friday, so I did my first school week, and it was already an absolutely great experience. I could learn already so much. The lessons are interesting, the teachers are very gentle, patient, and they are also quite creative, especially the one from the conversation lesson. She was going with us to the electronic market for searching some words of the products there. And that was really, really nice. And these 5 days at school already passed so fast. And now, after the weekend, another week will wait for me. During the weekend, I don't even have so much homework, only 2 pages to read in the grammatic book. And so that's absolutely fine. Tomorrow some friends will arrive here from Switzerland. One of them will have his birthday. We will celebrate it here. And this evening I will also go to Santa Margherita Ligure. That's around 30 minutes from here, because there is the Saint Patron festivity. I have no idea what is expecting me there. I'm going with my Italian friend. And maybe I can do some recordings, we will see. As you can see from my face, it was quite a long night in Santa Margherita. I've enjoyed the Saint Patron festivity so much. It was a huge festivity with such beautiful fireworks, very big ones, even on the water surface there were the fireworks, and it was absolutely great. I had a great time with my friends. Afterwards we went into a bar, and I've returned somewhere around 2:30 this morning. Then I wanted to sleep a bit longer, but I think around 7 o'clock this morning arrived a very heavy thunderstorm, and so of course I woke up and I couldn't fall asleep anymore. And now I'm a bit destroyed, but after a coffee it will be much better, because it has to. In 1 hour already my friends from Switzerland will arrive, and I also have to arrange the cake. And we had the idea to, as a gift for him, to organize a catamaran, to rent a catamaran with a skipper for watching the sunset. Today there will be the problem with the weather, but we will see. His birthday is on Monday, and so for that you have to go into a pasticceria and to order a cake in Italian. That will be interesting for the first time.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao, ho una domanda. Ho bisogno una torta per un amico. Voglio sapere che gusti hai, che tipici.
Allora, guarda, ho tutto quello che vuoi. Per quante persone ti servirebbe?
3 o 5?
Allora,
non è sicura.
Guarda, puoi passare domani tranquillamente senza problemi, perché posso proporti torta gelato, oppure torta semifreddo, oppure torta farcita con dentro le fragole,
oppure tiramisù fatto con una nuova ricetta un po' diversa dal classico, oppure posso proporti anche red velvet con dentro l'ampolle da chantilly, oppure ancora quella lì con cioccolato di mango.
Diciamo che è un po' di
incredibile
tutto. Quindi puoi venire e scegliere.
Perfetto, allora, grazie, buona serata.
Figurati. Ciao, buona serata a te.
That was easy. Like I would have always have done it. Oh my god. The morning after, me with sunglasses, it's around 11 o'clock. I'm awaiting my friends. We are going to a cafe for having breakfast. It was such an amazing night. We went out into a disco, and it was such a nice one. You had a great view all over the sea, all over the coast, better said. And then also inside the disco there were like 3 different dance floors. There was a swimming pool in the middle, and this place was absolutely great. One of the most beautiful discos I have ever seen. Then I came back home around 3:30 in the morning, and the door was locked. I could not enter my apartment, their home. And then I had to call the guest mother in the middle of the morning, and not even in the middle, very late in the morning. And then she was coming, opening me the door, because one of her sons has locked it from the inside, and so I couldn't enter. I had to wake her up. So after the long nightlife, we are enjoying ourselves here at the beach. There's Ellie, Freddy, and I just sleep all day long. I'm so tired from yesterday, and do nothing. That's the best I can do. So, das neues Kleid kaufen. Und jetzt muss er noch helfen.